Struggling with pet hair taking over your home? Say goodbye to fur-covered furniture and messy floors with a game-changing solution. If you're tired of battling stubborn pet hair and dirt, this powerful cordless vacuum is about to make your life easier. With advanced technology and superior cleaning power, you won't believe how effortless cleaning can be. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this. Remember, if you want this product at the best deal, check the link in the description. Introducing the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet 300W Cordless Vacuum, the ultimate cleaning tool for pet owners and busy households. Here's why this vacuum is a must-have. Unmatched power. With a motor that's 60% more powerful than the Shark IX141, this vacuum sucks up pet hair, dirt, and debris in seconds. No more struggling with weak suction. Cordless Convenience. With up to 40 minutes of battery life, you can clean your entire home without getting tangled in cords or searching for outlets. Move freely and clean effortlessly. Deep cleaning fur brush. Specifically designed for pet owners, this brush tackles fur on upholstery, stairs, carpets, and even your car. If you have pets, this tool is a game changer. Lightweight and versatile, weighing only 5.9 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver. Plus, it converts into a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach spots. Smart storage and charging. The removable battery makes charging a breeze, and the wall mount keeps your vacuum neatly stored and ready for action. Built-in LED headlights and swivel steering spot hidden dirt in dark corners and under furniture, ensuring a deeper clean every time. With over 106,000 positive reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's no surprise this vacuum is a #1 bestseller in stick vacuums and electric brooms. Stop wasting time on ineffective vacuums and upgrade to the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet today. Click the link in the description to order yours now and experience the difference. And don't forget, when you buy a BISSELL product, you help save homeless pets. That's a win-win. Want more must-have product recommendations? Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support us. More awesome finds coming soon.